Adventure mode is on. I'm going to a village where I hope to see some market though. So people say that this is a boutique, which is called a store. Very little boutique. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Yeah. Hey. You want to have a picture? This is picture. You need to say and then you can see it there.
Oui.
Oui. The boutique is at people their houses, which is super smart. I got a Le Pen right now for 100 francs. Wow, look at this tree. And those fruits are very healthy. All fire. Holy damn. This is the reason why they burn. It's green, beautiful. But climate change wise, horrible. Together with the laundry and myself, which is also kind of a laundry. I'm gonna wash myself in the river. From the camping to this place, it is 13 kilometers and I got a hitchhike. Those people paid also a tour for me to go towards a waterfall. The people come from Mali and they are traveling through Senegal and doing business. Let's go to the waterfall. Holy shit! It's huge! Oh, there's the waterfall coming. Wow! Holy shit! This is beautiful! Oi, 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 oi! Wow! The waterfall is 115 meters high and the source is coming out of the rocks. It is market day in the village, luckily. I got a sandwich with beans. Look at those chickens, they are locked. While camping here, I can use the bathroom in this very cute little hut, which looks very fancy, but there's no water or anything. Since I went to the market, it's cooking time though. Eggplant with some tomato and I will make a pasta. So happy. Wow. Checked out. Walking mode is on. Very long way to go. Yes, I'm going to Guinea-Bissau. since I do not have my visa for Guinea itself. Yeah, so there's an embassy more on the west side of Senegal, which I can go to. Let's get some water before I'm going to walk. Made it to the red road. 14 more kilometers to our good road. And I hope, inshallah, that I can hitchhike. The world and the people are very beautiful. I continue that adventure in another video. Subscribe if you're new here.